In this video tutorial, I will show you how to find the largest element in an array. So, since I have already the file, let me just explain it to all of you, like what or how to find the largest array, how to find the largest element in an array. So here is the steps. First is we print the title, which is print the largest element of an array, and then create an empty list, then number, how many numbers do you want, and then for loops for n and range numbers is equals to input enter a number, then list that append numbers. Then print maximum element of the list is max, so use the max to find the largest element of an array on the list. So try to run this code. So how many numbers? Let's put 5. Then we enter the numbers. So the maximum element in the list is 76. So it is clearly presented that after sorting those numbers, it will print the maximum number of the list. So I hope you learn how to sort things or finding the largest element of an array using this source code here. That's all in this video tutorial. I hope you like it.